Hello, families. So week 2 here. We have a few different changes this week. Nothing big, super easy. I have week 2 checklist and assignments. So you have your checklist here and our assignments that you're going to post to Seesaw for me, just to change it up a little bit. Again, journaling that dinosaur drawing and the read aloud dinosaur drawing, super easy. The worksheets will be in the packet. Tuesday, just do some word work, some of the spelling, just take a picture of one of the things that they have done. Wednesday, the read aloud with questions, and notice there is an IXL for that day as well. It's an easy one right here, Q1 and Q2. And then Thursday, there's a journal, and on Thursday, there is a choice. They do not have to do both read alouds. They get to choose, or they can do both. They're really fun dinosaur books. They do take a little bit of time, so just be prepared for it to be a little bit longer, and then turn in a picture of their journal for that day. These here are optional, extra optional worksheets if they want to take a little time to do some coloring, maybe get out of the realm of writing and just listening. Maybe they want to do something a little different. Monday lessons, I'll show you Wednesdays here with the IXL. And it just has IXL, and then you just need to go in there into their IXL and get into that. There is nothing underneath this for you guys to worry about. So with that, if there's any questions, please let me know, and I will be here to help you out. All right, talk to everybody later. Bye.